Hello friends, if you see the goods and service tax, there are more changes. One of the big changes, namely called electronic invoice. To curb the tax evasion is one of the most remarkable objectives of the government. How the entrepreneur and the business owner is evading the tax. Government is trying to create the control through the automations and digitalizations of goods and service tax. Now, if you go and see the electronic invoice, there is no more room to evade the tax in the hands of entrepreneur and the business owner. The government is creating a control mechanism where if you are not filing the GST returns for the next 2 months, you will not get the activated of your GST portals. The government is creating more control so that the entrepreneur and the business owner, they are doing the genuine business and they really want to do the business with the longer objective. For that, the goods and service tax is a very simple. And if entrepreneur and the business owner is an objective to evade the tax, in that case, it becomes a gut-busting tax for you because you're not able to run your business the way you want it to be. The government is creating lot of control mechanism in the goods and service tax where you're not able to run your business effectively and efficiently. Might be you have a thousands of the customer, might be you have overall growth, a good sustainability in your business. But if you are not running your business with the compliance of goods and service tax, your business will be completely shut down over the period of the time. So now electronic invoice, why this is important? Let you please understand the background. Electronic invoice is not related to GST Act. What is the invoicing rule that you have to follow? And you have to generate the taxable invoice. Electronic invoice is something different that you have to add some values on your taxable invoice and share with your customer. This is the government control mechanism that they have put up separately on the taxable invoice. How electronic invoice is helping to the government to find out the informations in real-time basis. The automations through the API. Now government is able to see any of the transactions at the real time, what business you are doing, what kind of transactions you are doing. Everything can government see at real time. Now see the government motto. If you are running your business effectively and not paying the tax, not complying with the GST returns and other compliances, what would be happen to your business? Are you able to run your business effectively over the period of the time? This will not be possible. So as an entrepreneur or as a business owner, if you are doing the business, please make a note that you have to comply for all the GST rules and norms wherever it is applied to your business. This is helping hands to your business. This can help you to create more business growth. Electronic invoice and the concept of electronic invoice is simply to curb the tax evasions, how the entrepreneur and the business owner is evading the tax. And because of this, government is not able to create the infrastructures across India. The tax is one of the main incomes of the government. And government will not compromise to take the tax from you if you are doing the business or not paying the tax. So now the time has changed. And if your mindset is the same way the way you have done the business the 10 years ago, you will not able to do the business now in the next 10 years. Electronic invoice is based on the turnover limit. What is the turnover limit? Electronic invoice says that if your turnover is exceed the prescribed limit, the e-invoicing is applicable on you. E-invoicing has already been applied and the first phase was implemented on 1st October 2022 for those entrepreneurs and the business conglomerate whose turnover is more than 500 crore in any one of the year starting from 17, 18 in the next 3 years. What does it mean? That if any entrepreneur and the business owner whose turnover is more than 500 crore in any 1 year, starting from 17, 18 to the next 3 years, the e-invoicing is compulsory applicable. In the second phase, the turnover has been reduced from the 500 crore to 100 crore, and the second phase was implemented from 1st January 2021. The limit was changed, but the period was the same. The third phase has been implemented from 1st April 2021, and the turnover has been reduced from 100 crore to 50 crore. It means any entrepreneur and the business owner whose turnover is more than 50 crore in any one financial year starting from 17, 18 in the next 3 years, e-invoicing is compulsory applicable. In the fourth phase, the recently government has set the new turnover rules, and the turnover has been reduced from 50 crore to 20 crore. Every entrepreneur and the business owner whose turnover is more than 20 crore in any one financial year starting from 17, 18 to the next 3 financial year, that is a compulsory applicable of e-invoicing on those entrepreneurs and the business owner. Now let you understand the limit of turnover. 500 crore, then 100 crore, then 50 crore, then 20 crore. You will see in the future, then 10 crore, then 5 crore, then 1 crore, then 50 lakh, then 5 lakh. In the next 2 years, every transaction is going to be covered under electronic invoice. Evading the tax will not have a possibility in the electronic invoice mechanism. In this video, I'll just trying to keep the objective that why electronic invoice is important. But you will find out a series of video on electronic invoice which transaction is covered under electronic invoice. Why some of the transaction is exempted under electronic invoice? What are those transactions that would be applicable, the electronic invoice, and how we can identify that this is the taxable invoice, this is the electronic invoice, this is the non-electronic invoice, this is the exempted invoice. You will see in the series of the video that I am going to bring for you. What you need to do here is that you have to focus on your business. Increase the efficiency in your business. Increase the productivity, sustainability in your business. Create more employment, create more team size. This is one of the business tax that can help you to bring more productivity in your business. I am telling you, GST is not a tax. It is one of the business opportunity that can help you to bring more productivity in your business. You can be able to create more customer base in your basket. GST will help you to bring more transparency in your transactions. GST will help you to bring to you in a government record as a trusted partner. See how many benefits of the GST in your record. Now you need to think as an entrepreneur, as a business owner, that whether you are going to keep the GST as a good and simple tax or a gabberson tax. Non-fulfillment of the compliance in GST, you will have only ending with the shutdown of your business. Now let you decide and run your business. This is Sanjay Singh signing out. Until we meet again, thank you. Thank you very much.